So you've already learned about land features on Earth's surface, but now we're going to learn about water features on Earth's surface. And those are bodies of water. So we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday, where you're going to read the definition of a body of water, and then you are going to see if you can match that description to the picture. And then you'll check your answers at the end. So our different types of bodies of water include a bay, a canal, a gulf, a lake, an ocean, a river, a sea, a strait, and a stream. Now, thankfully, you have probably heard of most of these. Now, yesterday you may have only heard of like a desert, a hill, a mountain, an island, and you may not have heard of the other ones. However, thank goodness we know quite a few of these, hopefully, and that will make it a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and try and figure out some on our own. So let's look at gulf. It says a large body of water partly surrounded by land. So I'm going to go down here. This one's all the way surrounded by land. So is this one and this one. This is the kind of the opposite. This looks like a large body of water completely surrounded by land, but so does this. And so does this. That doesn't, and that doesn't. So I'm having a little bit of a difficult time with this one. So I think what I should do for now is I should come back to that one later. So I'm just modeling what you need to do if you get stuck. I don't want to try and guess if it's this one, or this one. So instead, I'm going to see if I can figure out other ones, and then hopefully that will help me narrow down my choices. So let's look at what a river is. It's a large stream of water that flows over land. So I know what a river is. I've seen a river. I live by the river. So I see this and this. They both look like rivers to me, and so does this one. So I'm having a little bit of a difficult time. Now, because I know what this one is, what I should do is I should go ahead and look and see if I can find the definition for that one. Okay, so maybe this says it could be a sea or an ocean. So a large section or a section of ocean that is mostly or completely surrounded by land, or a very large body of salt water between continents. So I'm going to have to go with that this is the ocean because it doesn't totally match that description of sea. So I'm going to go ahead and write ocean down there. Now, so I thought this one was going to be a little bit easier, but it's looking like these pictures make it a little bit confusing. So when I post the answers, I will also explain why those answers are correct because some of them are a little tricky to figure out. But go ahead and try and figure out the most correct answer, and then you will write those down, and you can put little check marks when you finish them, and that way that should help you.